What's going on, guys? Sorry for interruption. I want to tell you here that in the future we will now move on with Microsoft Visual Studio C++, not with our dev software. So today, guys, I will tell you how to make a new file in Microsoft Visual C++. First of all, go to this option, File, New. Select here, you will see ATCL.com, App Wizard, Dev Studio, Add-in Wizard. So just select here Win32 console application. Right here the project name. Here's the location where you are saving. Here I'm saving it in my folder named Muhammad Usman file KK. Now the project name here, let's suppose we're gonna say ABC. Okay, so now finish. Okay, now our class is there. So now select here project, add to project, new, C and C++ here, source file, this one. File name, let's suppose XYZ. Okay, so here is our project workspace. So here we can write simply, as we already learned how to make a simple program. So let's revise that. Hash include operator iostream dot h. Next line, void, because we are not returning anything. Main brackets, again void, main function. Here we can write simply cout commas. This is a program to learn how to make a file. Simple. Put semicolon at the end. Next line, main function closed. Just save it, compile it. No errors. Now build it. So here it is. This is our first program to learn how to make a file. Or to make it more beautiful, we can put here cout end line. To shift the press any key to continue to the next line. So now build it, compile, no errors, no warning, now build it. So this is our program to learn how to make a file. So guys, again I can revise it, that sorry for the disturbance. Now onwards in the future we will move our C++ tutorials on Visual Studio C++. Thanks guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. And yeah, see you in the next tutorials.